Do you need to make a paper snowflake quickly and easily? I'll show you a very simple method. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, such as printer paper, A4 or letter. Place the paper so the long side is closer to you. Find the bottom left corner and bring it up to the top edge of the paper. Fold the paper to create a large triangle. Press firmly along the fold. Now take scissors and cut off the excess paper on the right side. Find the bottom corner on the right side. Fold it up to the top left corner. Press firmly along the fold. Take the edge of the paper on the right side and fold it to the left. You should get a small triangle, like the one on the left. Press the fold well. Turn the paper to the other side. Make the same triangle as before. Press the fold firmly. Take a pencil and draw a pattern on the paper. Cut along the drawn lines with scissors. Carefully unfold the paper. You'll get a snowflake. Do you have time to make this DIY paper snowman decoration for the Christmas holidays? I will show you a simple method that very few people know about. Grab a sheet of rectangular paper, fold it in half. Cut along the folded line. Take one part of the paper. Fold it in half. Fold it in half one more time. Draw a snowman shape. I hope everything is clear, and you won't hesitate to leave me a comment below the video, right? Draw a nose for the snowman. Cut along the drawn lines, separating the top and the bottom, and unfold the paper. You can stick the snowmen to windows or walls using clear tape. So, how is it? Do you want to make another paper snowflake simply and quickly? Make a folded base for the snowflake. You can rewind and watch the folding instructions one more time. Once you have made the base, draw this beautiful pattern. Cut the paper and unfold. Merry Christmas!